Happy morning to you, my dear students. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Okay, stay home, stay safe, but at the same time, make sure, children, that you follow all good habits, personal cleanliness, so that you stay fit. And today, I have come up with a small poem for you. Let's sing along the poem. We both, students, you as well as your teacher, we will sing together and learn about good habits. So, this poem is about being clean. So, let's sing along. Being clean. I must be all neat and clean. Yes, children, sing. I must be all neat and clean. Untidy I must not be seen. From morning until I go to bed, I try to be clean from toe to head. From morning till I go to bed, what do? I try to be clean from my toes to my head. Okay, I must be all neat and clean. Untidy I must not be seen. From morning until I go to bed, I try to be clean from toes to head. I brush my teeth, I rinse my mouth. I brush my teeth, I rinse my mouth and gargle too very loud. After brushing, I gargle also. Okay. To keep clean, I blow my nose. To keep clean, I blow my nose and even clean between my toes. When you wash your feet, don't just put water and come. You have to make sure you scrub with the brush and clean between the toes. I wash my hands and without fail. I wash my hand and without fail. Once a week I trim my nails. What about your nails? Once a week I trim my nails. I bathe and wash and comb my hair. I bathe and wash and comb my hair and later play in fresh air. So to remain healthy, you have to also play in fresh air. This is how I must stay clean. This is how I must stay clean because cleanliness is a part of my being. If you want to remain healthy, fit, you have to be clean. So now, what is our lesson for today's value education? Lesson 4, good habits. So let's watch a video and learn good habits. So here's a video about good habit. Watch carefully and learn those good habits.
Chapter 4, Good Habit. Cleanliness is very necessary for healthy living. Those who do not observe cleanliness frequently fall ill. We should take bath every day. Bathing makes our body clean and keeps us fresh and active. We should put on clean clothes. We should pay attention to the cleanliness of hair and nails.
So, first thing is take bath. When you get up, take bath. Then wear clean clothes. And afterwards, comb your hair. Your hair should also be combed and kept clean.
We should comb our hair and keep them properly set. Cleanliness of teeth is very necessary. If the teeth are not clean, we can get severe diseases. We should brush our teeth daily after every meal and before going to bed.
Second thing, after body cleanliness, the next is most important thing is cleanliness of our teeth. So every day, twice, once in the morning, brush your teeth properly and rinse and gargle that we learned in the poem. And before going to sleep, before you go to bed, again do the same thing. Brush your teeth, rinse it with the water and gargle your mouth.
Neem toothpaste is very good for our teeth. We should be careful about the cleanliness of our house, classroom, school and all around. Waste paper, skins of banana.
So now what do you see here? Cleanliness not just about our body. Cleanliness of our surrounding is also important. So it is important we keep our house, our neighborhood, our classroom, all surroundings clean. And you see this little boy, he is throwing the waste in the dustbin. And you can see three different colors. Yes, green. Yes, here you can put all the waste. Blue is specially for the wet waste. Okay, something that is wet like fruit skin or spoiled fruits or vegetable where the water comes out. So wet waste can go in the blue container, and brown waste for recycled things. Brown, that is paper, plastic tins, plastic bottles, which you can, instead of throwing it in the dustbin, you can give it to the rag picker or the raddiwala as you call him to recycle it, so that it does not go into the rubbish. So use your sense, and you can put the rubbish in proper places so that it does not add to the rubbish on the surface of the earth.
And other useless things should not be thrown away here and there. We should put them in the dustbin only. We should not eat uncovered things in the market. Flies sit on them and spread disease.
So here, the third thing that you will remember, body cleanliness is done, surrounding cleanliness is important. Now third thing, cleanliness of the food that we eat. So such lovely food is kept over there, but it is kept open. And what happens on the open food? The flies sit on them and spread diseases. So make sure you never eat food which is kept uncovered, the food which is kept open, because who is there? The flies.
We should drink clean water. It is good to boil water, filter it and then only drink it.
Now drinking water, you must drink water quite frequently, बार पीना चाहिए. But what kind of water? Clean, boiled and filtered, छान के लिया हुआ, so that you drink best quality water, the good clean water, and not fall ill.
We should keep our books clean by putting a cover on them. They look so nice.
And last, what did you see? Keep all your things in your room in the proper places. They look nice. So remember, be clean, be healthy, and you will be happy. Cleanliness is next to godliness. It's like inviting God among you. So all of you have to remain clean. So students, you have watched the video also. Now, after watching that, we all are going to make some plan. And with that plan, we are going to put it into action. Karke dikhayenge. So, what is our plan of action? First one, I will make a habit to wash hands before I eat anything. Very good. Wash your hands. Second, I will never overeat. प्लेट भर भर के खाना नहीं है, because it will upset our stomach. पेट खराब होगा. You will not overeat. I will follow rules of hygiene. We already learned. Take bath, brush your teeth, don't eat outside food which is kept open. Keep your surrounding clean. So you are going to follow the rules of hygiene. Hygiene means cleanliness, to stay fit and active. So it's a promise, it's a plan, and I am going to act on it. I will do it in action. Now, assessment time. So open your textbook, come on, and pencil. Have you taken? Okay, textbook, page 18. Do it in your textbook itself. I am not sending worksheet because you have this exercise in your textbook. Put a tick mark in the statement which is true. So, we will tick what is true and we will cross what is not true, that is what is false. Ready? I will put the garbage near my neighbor's house. पड़ोसी के घर में डाल दोगे कचरा? No, wrong. So put a cross. I will wear clean clothes every morning. So after bath, Miss showed in the video, wear clean clothes. Very good. Correct. I will throw paper in the class. No, that is wrong. Very good. Children, you remember what you have watched. I will empty the unused water. जो water हमने पिया नहीं, रह गया, बच गया. The unused water kept in the pot, मटका में, pot में. Whatever water is remaining, will you just put new water, the other one, clean water into it? No. To wash it, throw off that water, wash it and fill new clean water. Okay? So I will always empty. Correct. You have to empty. खाली करके, साफ करके you have to use it. I don't buy roadside open food. Roadside में open food. Will you buy and eat? No, I don't. Right. You will not buy. Correct. Okay. So my commitment. This miss will not write. This you will write. Commitment means promise. So what is your promise? I don't buy roadside open food. वो आपका promise है तो वो लिखोगे. If your promise is I will not throw paper in the class, then you will write that. Or you can even write from here whatever promise you are making. So you can copy from here also. So you will select your 4 promise commitment and write. Okay. Now children, I will be sending you notes. And where will you write your notes? Kindly copy the given notes in your value education notebook. So you will take a new page. You will write the lesson number for good habits and you will copy the question and the answer. So I am going to read it one time for you. Why is cleanliness necessary? Clean रहना क्यों ज़रूरी है? Cleanliness is necessary. आपको क्वेश्चन से कॉपी करना है. Cleanliness is necessary for healthy living. Okay? And you have to learn the spelling of healthy. Write 5 times and learn it. Give any 3 ways by which we can keep ourselves clean. How do you keep yourself clean? Take bath, brush teeth. Yes? So you have to write. I take a bath every day. Number 1. Number 2. I brush my teeth every day. And then what you do? I put clean clothes. So any 3. Okay? So this is 3 things that all of us do. So bathe, brush and put clean clothes. Third question. How can we keep our surroundings clean? कैसे अपने आजू बाजू में क्लीन रखोगे? From question you will write. We can keep our surroundings clean if we do not throw. हमें फेंकना नहीं है कचरा. We do not throw waste here, there. You will put it in only in the dustbin. What kind of water should you drink? What kind of water will you drink? We should drink clean and boiled water. Okay? So you will copy this neatly in your notebook and learn those answers. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Happy learning. God bless you all.